Good morning, everyone. My name is Red. I'm the Assistant Director of Admissions from the University of Pittsburgh at Greensburg. Today, I want to go over some of the things that we would typically go over with incoming students through the admissions process, some things about the application, a little bit of information about Pitt-Greensburg as well. So the University of Pittsburgh has been around for over 225 years. We on the Greensburg campus have the most winners of the Chancellor's Award for Distinguished Teaching. And this is of any campus, including some of the schools down at the Pittsburgh campus as well. And every year we have earned recognition as one of the colleges of distinction. At any given time, we have around 1,500 students on our campus. That number does fluctuate. Sometimes it's a little bit more, sometimes right at the 1,500 number. Our average class size is around 21, and our faculty to student ratio is 1 to 18. And what that means is for every one faculty member, they're acting in a personal advising capacity for about 18 students. We do have a full nursing program on our campus. It does fall under the University of Pittsburgh nursing program. We are already accredited through the CCNE because of the association that we have with the University of Pittsburgh School of Nursing program. The University of Pittsburgh's nursing program is consistently ranked top 10 in the world, and all of the clinical experiences are done through Excel Health and UPMC facilities. This is some of our information about the application. Typically, we're looking for a student who has an average of a GPA of a 3.4, 1100 on the SATs or a 22 on the ACTs. That GPA is flexible. That is our average, so we will go down the average, we will go up the average. That is not a minimum requirement, that's just our average of our incoming students. For this year, for fall of 2020 and fall of 2021, we are going to be test optional. Now what that means is that you can still submit your test scores to be considered for the admissions process. However, if you choose not to do so, we will not use those for your admissions decision. We need a few things to complete your application. One is the application itself completed and submitted. We need a copy of your self-reported academic record, or the SRAR, or a copy of your high school transcript. Now, we can take an unofficial copy of your high school transcript. We will request official copies down the road when it comes time for enrollment. The self-reported academic record is essentially a transcript that you will copy and paste your course information onto the application. It will create a new transcript for us to review, and we will check the validity of that self-reported academic record down the road when we request your final high school transcripts. There are a couple things that are optional, one being the SAT or ACTs. Another is the essay. It is an open prompt. You can use that for anything as long as it's in an academic format. Another optional piece is the letters of recommendation. You can still submit those. We recommend and request no more than 3 letters of recommendation per application. And as far as the SAT or ACT is concerned, the only major that requires the SAT or ACT is the nursing program. And our nursing admissions is a little bit different. Nursing, you need a 3.2 GPA, and you have to have an 1170 or a 24 in the ACT, as well as chemistry with 2 additional lab sciences. Aside from that, we still need the same things for the application. We need the application itself, high school transcript, test scores, and then it is optional to do the essay or the letters of recommendation. As far as transfer admissions go, you need 12 or more transferable credits, cumulative collegiate GPA of a 2.25 or greater. And if you are 24 credits or more earned, you would be exempt from the SAT. However, we will be test optional for fall of 2021. We need the same thing for the application process, except there's a little bit of a difference with the high school transcript and the college transcript. We need official college transcripts so that way we can review those. And then we will need a final high school transcript whenever you go to enroll. We do not need this to review your application, but we will need that in order for you to enroll. As far as tuition and cost is concerned, this is some of our cost information. You can find all of this information on our website. The only program that has different tuition numbers is the nursing program, simply because of the clinicals that are associated with that program. As far as financial aid is concerned, about 85% of our full-time students receive some kind of financial aid. This could be off of the FAFSA. This could be from federal state grants. This could be from Pitt-Greensburg. This could be outside scholarships. So most of our students are receiving some type of financial aid. We are the only university, meaning the University of Pittsburgh, that participates with what we call the Pell Grant Match Program. If you are a student that qualifies for the federal Pell Grant, through which you would be qualified for through the FAFSA, Pitt will match that grant dollar for dollar. That's an additional grant that Pitt will give to you in order to help you deter the cost of going to school. About 54% of our incoming students will receive some kind of merit-based scholarship. That is specifically based upon your GPA, your academic profile. We will review you for merit scholarship whenever we review you for admission. And that's all I have as far as the admissions process is concerned and some of the information about Pitt-Greensburg. If you do have any questions, I highly encourage you to reach out to us in the admissions office. You can either reach out to us via email at upgadmit@pitt.edu, or you can reach out to either Joyce, myself, or Shara. We are the counseling staff that's a part of the admissions department. We can help you with many things with regards to the admissions process through the application, just general information about campus. Please go on our website, look around on our website, do the virtual tour, and if you do have any questions, please feel free to contact us. All of our contact information is on the website. Thank you so much for tuning in, and have a great day.